So the main focus of the network is to collaborate with all service providers, MSMEs, business development service providers, to come together and form a network to promote MSMEs.
Even how you dress, everything must be focused, building a brand. Your presence on social media must be planned and objective. Don't just go and throw anything there.
You don't just wake up and feel like, I want my product to be designed in this way. I want it to have pictures. That's why we place the pictures there. But it is because you understand that the kind of people you are going to be working with, they won't understand just the writing. So picture will be important for them to know what you want to give them.